Step inside Island Escape 201, your dream beachside getaway where comfort meets island charm just 2 blocks from the beach. Welcome to Island Escape 201, your home away from home. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe now so you can see our upcoming tours. Step inside this spacious 950 square foot 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom vacation condo, tastefully designed with faux wood tile flooring throughout. Relax in our open concept living room with a plush sofa and love seat that comfortably accommodates up to 5 people. Enjoy meals in the dining area with seating for 6, or grab a quick bite at the kitchen counter with 2 additional bar stools. Our full kitchen is well equipped with modern appliances. Everything you need from a refrigerator to a toaster is at your fingertips. Retreat to the master bedroom with a king-size bed or the second bedroom with a unique twin-over-queen bunk bed, each complete with flat-screen TVs. Step out onto the private balcony accessible from both bedrooms, where you can enjoy the garden view and the park across the street. Refresh in our clean and bright bathroom equipped with a tub shower combo and a 1-sink vanity. The condo building offers a coin-operated laundry facility, adding to your convenience. Just a block away, the local community center houses a fitness center and a pool, perfect for keeping up with your workout routine or cooling off during the summer months. And don't forget, the beach is just 2 blocks away, waiting for you to make unforgettable memories. If you've enjoyed this tour of Island Escape 201, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more property tours and island adventures, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Island Escape 201, your perfect island getaway. Book today. We can't wait to welcome you.